So okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to light up your scene using Photoshop and a plugin called Boris Optics. So now this is the image. Make sure you make a duplicate, and I'll go to filter option, then I'll go to Boris FX, then optics. We'll click on no. So now let's go to light, then we'll drag it over here, then we'll find ray light. So we have ray light over here. Now let's drag this to where the light is. Let's expand it just a little bit, and now let's duplicate it again, and now let's go to the same ray light, then let's drag it up to the where the candle is. Let's reduce the size. So now let's choose this light here. I'm going to place this just behind here, and now let's make a new layer again. We're going to add soft light. So select the soft light, and let's choose this option here in the number 4, and let's add our final lighting. We're going to add another layer, then we'll go to the light option here, then we'll go to ultra glow. Now let's reduce the brightness just a touch here, and now let's go to our atmosphere, and let's crank up the frequency and the atmosphere details. And now if you're done with everything, just hit on apply. So this is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. This really helped you. Make sure you like this video and give me a follow. Peace.